Hello guys, I'm Antonio Xan Studios, and today I make the tutorial for install the game Five Nights at Ciro's. First of all, go on Google and search gamejolt. When we search gamejolt, open it the site and search the game. Install it. When the game is installed, go on the file and go on archives. Rename the file and rename Catrobat. Download. This is the file. When we have the file, click it and open it on Pocket Code. For install Pocket Code, go on Play Store. Search Pocket Code. Open it. Click on the file, open it on Pocket Code, and this is the game. And we finally play. And bye.